Hello guys, today I'm going to review a book that is Robinson Crusoe, written by Daniel Defoe. One fine day, there was Robinson in a family. He was the youngest of all three brothers and he was really nice. One day he wanted to go to the sea, but his father stopped him and he went, and it was a shipwreck, but luckily he landed on an island and he even made his own shelter fence around to make his house safe. And he also had a family, that is a dog, a cat, 3 kittens, a parrot, lots of goats, and he even made the friendly guy called Friday. And Robinson and Friday climbed on top of the hill, and Friday said, "Me see my country." And Robinson saw another ship coming towards him, and there were a lot of bad guys in it, and there was a captain, and they rescued the captain, and the captain said, "Thank you for rescuing me, I will take you back home." He was in the island for 28 years, 2 months and 19 days. When Robinson went back home, his house was totally destroyed. Their survivors were 2 sisters, 2 brothers, and one day he visited the island again and he went back home and he lived happily ever again. In the story I learned about never give up, keep trying, you will never lose, you will be the winner. That's all for today's video guys. Bye bye, see you next time.